Hello everyone, it's Mr. Cube Collector. Today we're going scramble and solve 5x5 Rubik's Cube. So let's solve first. I try to scramble as much as I can to make sure it's scrambled properly. Okay, so that should be enough. So first what I'm doing is centers, edges, and after that I'm solving same as 3x3. So first I'm doing white center. So doing first line now. So as you can see, we done first line, we connect with white center. Okay, we're doing next line. So we need to do one more line. Okay, which is over here. Okay, we done first center. Now we're doing yellow, which is opposite white color. So as before, we're doing line by line. I got first line, so we keep focus on second line. We already done second line, we down middle, which is over here. Here we go. So far we done two centers, which is white and yellow. So next we're going to, always I start with red, so let's do it with red one. So we got the first line. We're looking for second one. We got second one, and we're going for a last line, which is over here. Come on, where is it? Here we go. Okay, so next center done, red. We done three, yellow, red and white. Next going to be blue. So we're going for blue. So we done already one. We're going for second one. To one more line to go. Okay, so two more centers to finish all centers. So next we're going to make, of course, orange and green. Okay, two more. And last piece, guys, last piece. Also we got like special algorithm to do this one. Okay, all centers done. So next step, what I'm doing is edges. So we need to connect all same pieces like this one. So we need one more red and white. We're looking for red and white, which is over here. I just show you how it's work. So for example, we need to connect them, as you can see. Put on the top and go back. So first edge is done. We need 11 more to go. It's 12 edges. Okay, so now maybe we're making all white. Will be more easy to find. Of course, we need to connect two of those. All right, where is it? Where is it? Over here. Okay, we need one more. Okay, we got the next edge. So next we're going to make green and white. Need one more green and white, which I already can see it. Green and white. All right, next going to be last orange and white. So orange and white color. And one more over here. So we just done all 4 edges. Of course, we try to do not broke the centers, which we done before. So we got 8 more to go. So maybe next one we keep focus on yellow. So we're looking for yellow and orange. Yellow, orange. Okay, find it. Connect, put on the top, go back. Next one, yellow and red. Yellow and red. We connect them. We make pair and yeah. So next one, maybe yellow and blue. So we got two yellows and blue. We need one more yellow and blue. Where can I see it? Yellow and blue. Okay, I can see it. Okay, next edge done. Next one, yellow and orange. No, yellow and green, sorry. Yellow and green, so we got 2. And I can see the last one. Here we go, next edge done. So basically we've done 8 edges. We got 4 more to go. Now going to be a little bit difficult, but we can still do it. Here we go, that was fully fast edge. I got 3 more to go. So maybe next one I'm going to make, I don't know which one. Let me see. I'm going to make a red and green. Yeah. Red and green. To one more red and green. Here we go, done. We got 2 last edges, guys, which is also a little bit difficult to connect them, but it's not that hard. Okay. There you are. So we done all centers, all edges. From this moment we're solving same as 3 by 3. So what we're doing first is of course cross. So let's make cross. Ooh la la. So we just make cross, same as 3 by 3. First we're doing edges. So first edge done, second is done, and we need to fix the last edge. Okay, so far we done 3 layers and we're doing a last layer. So what we're doing now, of course, it's yellow cross. So we done cross. Now we need to connect that cross as over here with that edge. So that is correct, that is incorrect, that is incorrect, that isn't, that's both correct, but this is not correct. So also we got special algorithm to make them correct. Oops. Here we go. So we make cross and we connect with edges. What we're doing next is 4 last pieces. So we need exactly the same. That is on the right place, that isn't on the right place, that is on the right place, and that also is on the right place. So also we got special algorithm. Okay, that is on right place, right place, right place, right place. So now we need to put them in right position. Got also special algorithm, it's called sexy move. Okay, and that's it. So that's how I solve 5 by 5 Rubik's cube. And now guys, I show you also pattern what you can do with that cube. That is called checkerboard pattern. It's look like this. It's pretty cool pattern. You fix same way you make it. Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye bye.